Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to save on taxes and stay out of tax trouble. Today's topic is power of attorney. Now we're in the middle of a short series on competency, mental health issues, and end-of-life issues, and power of attorney fits squarely in the middle of this. Now, anyone at any time can use a power of attorney for any number of business or legal matters to have another person act for them appropriately and legally. Of course, we're talking about tax here, so I'm going to focus on two specific issues. So the first is the form of a power of attorney. Now, in theory, you could have an attorney, a law firm, a notary, all prepare and execute your power of attorney and still have it ignored and rejected by a third party. In this case, often the third party is either IRS or state tax authority. They require a specific paper form, and if you don't have it on that form, or if that form isn't in the format that they want it to be, for example, a manual signature versus electronic signature, and date appropriately, and all the details on the form, the fact is that the state authority will reject your power of attorney. So in this case, we always need to pay attention to the form of the power of attorney and specifically what it says and who it's authorizing and when and what and all those details. The second point is that tax power of attorney is meant to expire at the end of competency. If a person is declared incompetent, or if a person dies, their existing power of attorneys expire, except and unless it's what's called a durable power of attorney. Now, the IRS and the states don't use a durable power of attorney, so almost certainly a second document is going to be required if there's going to be a fiduciary, an executor, or a custodian in the case of incompetency. And I find that that's an increasingly common issue. We can't just rely on one single document, that is the power of attorney form provided by IRS, but we need a second form, a durable power of attorney, to even execute the IRS form power of attorney. So two things to think about as we're in dealing with these issues. Perhaps a relative that's having trouble handling their taxes or their finances. I'd love to hear your comments or questions, thoughts on this topic. I'm easy to reach on social media, or you can schedule a one-on-one at taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.